The Unistellar Equinox 2 is great and very simple to set up, and it's just required just a couple of steps to get you going on your planetary, your deep sky objects, and get you what you want to see in the night sky. Follow along here as we put this thing together. Right here I have the tripod. It's in a 2-stage set, and I'm going to extend this all the way out. There's simple clasps that you can just pull all the way, lock back in, and this is the last leg. Now this is a very tall tripod. Now we're going to put the head mount into the very obvious way to do it. There's a hole cut out with 2 thumb screws on the side. So we're going to take the head mount, drop it right down in the middle, and we want to make sure that it's seated all the way down. That way we can tighten the 2 thumb screws. Now you want these finger tight. You don't want them really, really tight. You just want them finger tight so the mount's not going to fall, the mount's not going to come off, or anything of the sort. And that's as easy as setting up as 1, 2, 3. Now let's set up in the app to get you going on your night starring adventure. Now that we have the Unistellar Equinox 2 on the tripod, let's connect it to the app that is available on the Google Play Store for any Android device or the Apple Store for any Apple device. So now that we have it ready, we're going to turn the power on, which is right here on the side of this arm that is motorized. We're waiting for it. We're going to give it a couple seconds, and then we're going to go into our settings portion. So I'm in my settings. We're going to go to the Wi-Fi. Now you're looking for a name that says Equinox 2. So now we're going to go to the actual Unistellar app. I'm going to bring up the Unistellar app. Now this particular setup is set for demo mode. That way we can move it and do all sorts of stuff. So it shows me that I'm connected, which you can go in through your settings. So now you are ready to pick any of your catalog stuff that you're wanting to see, and we're just going to simply move the actual telescope, and it is ready to go. So now we're going to bring the mount to its parked position, or home position if you will. You want to make sure that you do this every time when you're ready to put the Unistellar up. So you want to go into the settings on the app, you want to go into My Telescope, and you want to hit the button that says Park. And it will automatically bring it to the home or parked position. And then you have also the ability to turn it off once it gets done moving. It's done moving. I'm going to hit turn off, and that's it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you use the Unistellar Equinox 2.